So we are at the pet adoption drive in Sacred Space. There are so many puppies here, and Sacred Space is a beautiful place. And
Please subscribe to my channel.
but it's a lot of effort, right? So that's the whole thing. But this is very crowded.
Don't get on my angry side.
Yeah. So cute. This is how it looks. There's a pottery workshop happening in the corner there, and this is crazy, yeah. This is pet adoption, so lots of people, and it's so difficult to record here. But let's see. This is in Sacred Space near St. Anne's, Sikandrabad. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.